So Mark Wahlberg HALLOW app. So here is the app which you can go and download for free right now. And this is the app where it's like basically prayer and meditation app. But now they introduced nice collaborations with some influencers, including Mark Wahlberg. And like this app is just going viral because of that. It's in the top charts. So basically, you can just go and tap any episode and listen to that. And the good thing, like, that this app has really extended a 30-day free trial. So this app overall is not free, but it has a really long 30 days free trial, or you can upgrade to $4 for like 3 months, which is also quite cheap to do that. So yeah, if you just you can just try out. There are like guests, like different sessions. It's almost like audio sessions, or there are like some challenges like 40-day pray challenge, also like 47 days, which also has a lot of influencers on different days. So yeah, you need to upgrade, unfortunately, to basically listen to all of those. But again, there is a free trial. So yep, that's just what it is. Overall, it's also just like a Bible app and like meditation praying app, which is also good by itself. But they just released this nice collaboration. So there you have it.